how to use TALKIE Soulful AI friend. So this is a new app where you can see, a universe of AI personalities. So similar to Chai app or Character AI app, embark on an imaginative journey with a diverse range of AI personalities, from crafting your ideal AI companion to immersive role playing and treasure meaningful moments through captivating visuals. So that's basically the idea. So then you can just open the app, and then here this is just you can create an account, and then
Hey, no.
you can have different
I'm the best.
different characters, and
Hey.
then you just swipe through them. A lot of them are just like anime characters, and all these are like chatbots which you can just play around
Soldier,
with.
it's good to see you.
Then you can
What brings
also
you to HQ
create your
today?
own AI. You can just upload photo, AI generated photo, which is also pretty cool. And then so that's just your account. Yeah, then there is like a wallet where you can just top up with some diamonds, then Toki Plus, get that free Toki gems every day, get extra inspiration option, more free gachas. I don't know what that is. Gems, faster responses. So yeah, all of these things which you can get if you create an account. Then you can also delete the account if you don't like. And that's basically what it is. So yeah, you can just discover. So yeah, then you can just basically chat.
Hello, cameraman.
And then the cool thing is that this app is just sends also you some audio messages. You can follow them. You can see number of followers, number of connectors. For example, so it's pretty cool. So the idea is basically the same as in Chai app or Character AI. And then also if you want to send a message, you see here some suggestions, but then you can just tap send. And these apps can get quite addictive. So, and then you can just listen to that. So some things can be quite, funny, and then you can see instantly suggestions to how to reply. It's pretty cool. This technology is getting quite advanced. And before, like a year ago or so, these apps weren't that cool to use. Now it's almost indistinguishable that it's a bot. And then you can also reset it, and then you can share your conversation. I'm not sure how to delete it or anything, but then you just have your account, and then you can see all your chats, and you can see all the people, all the bots you're following. So yeah, that's what it is. Then again, you can just create your own one. And that's what it is. I don't know the limitations of like how many you can chat with. How many messages can you send, but that's what it is. So hope that is helpful.